Hey you guys, just wanted to come in here real quick to do an outfit of the day. I feel like I haven't really done one in a while. So you see my hair, you know what the tutorial, or you've seen the tutorial on this already. So all I'm wearing is, I guess you can call it, okay baby, hold on. Shh. You can see that it's color blocking. Ain't it? Okay, see that it's color blocked. These are purple corduroy pants. That I don't remember where I got. I think my sister got them for me. A white tank that I got probably from Ross, and this red cardigan that I also got from Ross. My necklace is the necklace that I got for my birthday. My earrings, let's turn it this way. My earrings, my sister gave to me. And then this is just like costume jewelry, a bracelet. My shoes. Aiden, hush, please. Okay, hold on. Sit down. My shoes are my Jessica Simpson Leopard shoes. Let me do this, show you the whole thing. Sit down. Color block. And then little print, little added print. And as for my makeup, yeah, I don't know. I just did, I don't know what I did. Well, I know what I did, but I don't know how to explain it. So, if you would like to see a tutorial, I can record it again, but that's what it looks like. Okay. And my lip, I always forget to, let me see. So I used Nika K's lip pencil in Cocoa. Okay. And then after that, I added Toasted Almond L'Oreal Code Riche. Number 843. Y'all don't mind my thumb, if y'all see it. I had to take my nail polish off. And all I did was, with this, is like lined my lips on top of the regular liner. And then I just used Just Peachy 903C by Wet n Wild. I just put it in the center of my lip. And then I used CoverGirl's Amazement in No Care Bear. I got it, this is the one I got from Big Lots for like $1 or something. Just add that on top. That was pretty much my look for the day. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Yeah, that's it. I don't know what else I was gonna say. So yeah, y'all have a great day, and I'll talk to you good people later. Peace.